This is Tony from A&R Boilers, and today's video is on the Avalen VCW 221. So if you own this type of boiler, you'll know it's a very, very old boiler. So we've been called out to this because you get no hot water. Now, you'll probably might have rang other engineers, and other engineers have been to this type of boiler. They're going to say it's too old, you need a new one. But A&R, we're going to sort it out. So the boiler's all working, hot water's working, the customer's really happy. So we're just going to bring the customer in. You'll hear him speak about what he thinks about what we've done. So Mr. Customer.
Tony, fantastic job. It's amazing. I've totally written this off. You've saved me literally thousands. I was expecting to pay for a new replacement boiler, but just a quick Google on this. It was telling me that it's one of the most complex boilers ever made. Really old, but you guys have brought it back to life. What a fantastic job.
Yeah.
Very complex. 4 different systems in there. You got your hydraulic system, you got 4 different motherboards, all sorts of stuff, but basically went over my head, so I'm really happy.
Excellent. Yeah, so that's what we can do for you. So if you've got an old boiler like this, just click on the link below and you'll read about what we do. You can go to our website, so just click on the link and you will be another happy customer.
Just before we go, I would like to show you the 6 service types you can get for free when you become a member of the Very Important Customer Club. These are the service types you can start getting for free. A free boiler service. A free boiler repair. A free landlord CP12 gas check. A free replacement boiler. A free Drayton Weiser smart thermostat system. And finally, a free contract. That's on any of our contracts we offer. And we give you all these free services in exchange for your referrals, which turn into business. So click the link in the description below to find out more information about the Very Important Customer Club and how easy it is to start receiving our free services.